So how do you know if you qualify for ERC? Well, are you an employer that paid W-2 wages between March 13th of 2020 and September 30th of 21? Well, then you're initially in the running. During that time period, did you experience a governmental shutdown that literally did shut your business down partially or fully? Yes? Well, during those dates, you qualify. Or if you had gross receipts down in 2020 compared to 2019 by at least 50% in any quarter, or in 21 in any quarter compared to that same quarter in 2019, and it's down at least 20%, then you're going to qualify for the entire quarter. If you qualify for this up to $26,000 per employee, you should go and get it. And if you get it correctly, well, then you shouldn't have any concern. Next step, take my seminar. With that, you also can get a free assessment with this with ADP. You have a great one.
JJ the CPA is here.